A major challenge of higher education is learning how to become accountable for our student outcomes. And this is particularly important for schools of education who have a significant responsibility to provide educators who are ready to take on the great challenges in the American landscape by being prepared to go into the classroom and be an effective teacher right away. And to become accountable, we need to be able to demonstrate that our students know their content area, that they understand how children learn, they understand what education means in a social context, and they have to have the pedagogical skills to take that knowledge and apply it into the classroom. Furthermore, we need to be able to track how they actually do when they're in the field post-graduation so that we can demonstrate that our students are really prepared to be leaders in education and effective teachers. Most importantly, what we need to really consider right now are the various external groups, such as the National Council on Teacher Quality or the U.S. News and World Report, which are the current standards for how we evaluate how well schools of education are doing, but they are not taking into account or using the metrics that really demonstrate what a good teacher becomes. They're not really looking at what a student does in the field as a measure of what they do and how good they can be. What we now need them to do, and we have to work with the states, we have to work with our regional partners and school districts and other nonprofits to really find ways that we can show how effective our students are so that we can both be accountable for their successes, and when they're unsuccessful, we can change our programs to improve their ability to serve our children.